Rally that Narendra Modi is going to have in the national capital, and a news just coming in, Narendra Modi has reached the venue. The venue is Japanese Park in North Delhi's Rohini. He will make a grand address in a short while from now. This after a grand entry that he made by flying directly with the chopper at the rally's venue. Those are live pictures that we are getting to you from the venue where Modi is going to speak in a short while from now, and you can see the massive turnout that the rally has had so far, and BJP is expecting that this number could go to 5 lakh people. From
since morning, all the senior BJP Delhi BJP leaders are there. We can see Mr. Vijay Goyal leaving in his car. I'm taking a bird's eye view, if we may say, of the security arrangement, of the way people are being allowed. Right now, the volunteers are not allowed to enter the venue because security checks are happening. There are RAF as well as the Delhi Commando Force, the normal Delhi Police Force, and security persons who are gathered in huge number. Let's ask some of the Modi supporters as to what they have to say about today's rally, sir. Because security checks are happening, there are RAF as well as the Delhi Commando Force, the normal Delhi Police Force, and security persons who are gathered in huge number. Let's ask some of the Modi supporters as to what they have to say about today's rally, sir. What do you have to say about the rally? What is the USP of this rally?
USP के जैसे नारा दिया है, कांग्रेस मुक्त शासन चाहिए हमें। कांग्रेस को हमारे ठगते हुए, चोरी करते हुए, बेईमानी करते हुए देश के अंदर 60 वर्ष हो गए हैं। अब दुनिया इससे तंग आ चुकी है। हम चाहते हैं कि देश में बदलाव आए ताकि हमारी जनता को, देश की जनता को फायदा हो सके इससे। और इसी उपलक्ष्य में ये रैली की जा रही है जगह जगह, क्योंकि आने वाले चुनाव हैं, उसके उपलक्ष्य में सारी रैलियां की जा रही हैं ताकि देश का कुछ भला हो सके, इस देश की जनता का कुछ भला हो सके। जैसे नरेंद्र मोदी ने और गोवा में, छत्तीसगढ़ में, मध्य प्रदेश में हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर्स जो भाजपा के, उन्होंने एक उदाहरण पेश किया है उन्नति का, विकास का, और इसी तरह से ये रैलियां की जा रही हैं उसके उपलक्ष्य।
Let's ask some of the other supporters. They have been gathering since morning. कब से आए हुए हैं आप लोग यहाँ पे?
8 बजे आए थे मैडम।
और अभी तक अंदर नहीं जा पाए हैं?
नहीं, भी वो हमारे हेड आ रहे हैं, उनके साथ ही अंदर जाएंगे।
क्या कहना है आपको इस रैली के बारे में?
रैली के बाद रैली बहुत सफल होगी और नेचुरली बीजेपी ने आना ही आना है।
So the supporters, the volunteers are very upbeat because Mr. Modi is going to speak in a while from here. With video journalist Sagar Supriya Bhardwaj for NewsX in Delhi.
A lot of enthusiasm here outside the Japani Park in Rohini for Narendra Modi's rally. We have people coming from across the country, especially the locality Rohini here. We also have with us Miss Malhotra, who's come all the way from Ahmedabad. She's been attending other rallies as well. Ma'am, आप बताइए, आप वहाँ से, अहमदाबाद से क्यों? आप टीवी पे भी तो देख सकती थी ये रैली।
इच्छा है मेरी, मुझे निश्चय है, श्रद्धा है, मेरी हिम्मत है, भगवान ने दी है, तो शेर को मिलने के लिए आ गई हूँ मैं। ये मेरा शेर पाई है।
Others are even writing poetry for this particular rally. आप बताएं, अब 2-4 भसीन साहब थोड़ा सा आप सुनाएं अपनी पोएट्री।
मेरा नाम साक्षात भसीन है और मैं शायर गीतकार हूँ। तो मैं मोदी जी से बड़ा प्रभावित हूँ। देखिए कि नरों में देव इंद्र के तुल्य है नरेंद्र मोदी, है नरेंद्र मोदी। नरेंद्र के दम पर ही जीत भारत की होगी, जीत भारत की होगी।
So you see here there's a lot of enthusiasm. People are coming not just from outside Delhi but also from within Delhi. Some of them are saying that they want to see what kind of crowd, what is the strength that Modi's rally actually draws. They're not content to just watch it on TV and take the media's version for the kind of support that Narendra Modi draws, whether it's here or at any other rally. With video journalist Imran Abbas, this is Seema Kaul for NewsX Delhi.